Sparky Sparks here. I have new hair. Oh my gosh, this is a fun one. This is called Sky by Noriko, and the color is Nutmeg F. Now, I have a really good friend who wears this style. I'm not gonna throw her under the bus or tell, because many people have no idea she wears a wig. And I can see why, because this is just really swingy hair. It moves very flowy. It does have permatease up here, which it gives it that lift and that put together look. But let's kind of play with this. Again, I'm just using my fingers. This is straight out of the box. I like this. I think with the black top, maybe some even bigger earrings, this could be, you know, a really fun date night style too. It can be very professional. We can comb it over to one side and make it look very on point. This particular style does not have a lace front, so the front is kind of hard, just a hard stop. So you're not going to wear this wig like this. You're just not. But you're going to wear it down like this or all the way forward, which is also kind of fun. You know, just kind of like a dramatic, could be very dramatic like this. Or you can part it. You know, it's going to be kind of a messy part, not of a defined part. But we can, let you watch while I kind of do this. Super cute. Really like her. Again, this color is Nutmeg F. And let's see, we can just kind of pull her down. I'll show you the back. So not a true pixie, just short hair, right? And you can see as I'm speaking, it moves. So it looks very natural, not just, you know, glued like helmet head. Some people think if it has permatease, it's going to be more like the old-fashioned librarian, you know, with just the big hair or whatever. But this is just beautiful. It's going to look on point pretty much in all weather. Lightweight, perfect for summer. Love this. I'm loving all my short hair for summer. And again, we can put it on the other side. I usually part my hair over on this side. Let's see. So that looks more like me to me. So that's another secret about wigs. When you get your wig, or if you're thinking about trying a wig, pick a color. You don't have to pick a color that is your color, you know, the color you were born with, but pick a color that you like or that you'd like to try. This is a really budget-friendly wig because it doesn't have the lace front. It's pretty basic constructed. I'm going to show you the inside in a minute. But the key is putting on your face first and putting on something that you feel really good in. I happen to be sitting on my living room floor right now and just, you know, sharing this with you. I have a big window behind the camera so you can see natural light. And as I speak, you can see it moves just like regular hair. And normally this is where I would part my hair. So this looks very normal to me. I really like the style. I like the vibe. So let's look at the inside. So, and you can see I didn't put on my wig cap before I put on the hair. I have fine, short hair. One of my friends says she has a 6 head, so 6 fingers here. I like to say I have an 8 head. If I squeeze them really close, there's 8 fingers. So a rule of thumb, when you're putting your wig on, you want your forehead to be 3 or 4 fingers from about the top of your, you know, brow bone here. So you can see I still have some room there. But the one thing I like about wigs is that I can adjust this scalp line or this headline. So I can put it here and be a 2 head, which I have a friend who has that much hair, that much space between her hairline and her brow. or you can, you know, make it as high up as you want. Now with this wig that we're talking about, Sky by Noriko in Nutmeg F, she doesn't have really a lace front, so you're really never going to pull the hair back. Inside, we can see it's a basic cap. There is wefting here, so this is breathable. This is the front. It's very soft. There's no lace front, so there's a hard stop here. Not a problem. You're just not going to wear it back off your forehead. Adjustable tabs in the back. Very breathable. Again, you can see, those are my fingers coming through. So let's put her back on. Again, I don't have a lot of hair, and it's short. It's short. It always has been. I don't grow hair very easily. So wigs have been really my my magic, I guess. Something that has brought me joy, made me feel like I can go out at a moment's notice. I get invited last minute all the time. And 2 years ago, I would say no, because I would, you know, come up with an excuse. I don't feel good. Or, you know, I've got something else to do. Because I'm not going out like this. Now, a lot of my friends will say, oh, we love your hair. We love your short hair. It's just so, it's so cute. Well, maybe it is, but I don't feel cute looking in my reflection like this. So, yeah, I'd rather just put on a wig like this, like a bathing cap, adjust it, tuck my hair underneath, and boom, we are out the door. And it looks like I spent hours on my hair. And I look like I'm on point. I just look ready for the day. And this is kind of, I mean, I think this is really kind of a sexy look to have it kind of in your face, and it frames your neck. So for my ladies who are losing their hair or getting thinner hair, this is a great option. You can go much shorter, and check out another video I have on Coco and Tab by Ellen Villa. Or this is by Noriko, and this is called Sky in the color Nutmeg F. And again, if you don't want to wear her over here, you can just so easily, just watch this. We're just going to move the hair on the other side. And isn't it nice to be able to just say yes when you're invited out at the last minute? Or if you're on vacation, let's say you're on a cruise and you're going to dinner. You've been out all day, maybe in a hat. You just take off your hat and put on your hair. And you're ready. You're ready for a party. You look fancy. Now I will say, put your makeup on before you put your wig on, because especially for the first time, you're gonna pull this thing out of the box. It's perfect. And if your makeup is just, you know, clean washed face, you may not have the same feeling about the hair. You're gonna think the hair is making you look bad, but in fact, you just don't have your face on. So put your face on, then put your hair on. That's how I do it. I hope that's helpful. Have a great day. Cheers.